Hello students, today we will discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 10, and the topic is standard deviation. Standard deviation is one of the measures of dispersion. It is the measure of variation or the dispersion of set of values. Or we can say that standard deviation is the square root of the arithmetic average of square root of the deviations measured from the mean. Here the standard deviation is denoted by the Greek letter sigma. And the concept of standard deviation was first used by the Carl Pearson in the year of 1893. In this classes we calculate standard deviation under individual series. As we know that it has three series, that is your individual series, discrete series and continuous series. First we focus on individual series. To calculate standard deviation, we can follow any of these three methods. First is actual mean method, direct method or shortcut or assumed method. Let's discuss this method one by one through the example. Compute standard deviation under actual mean method. The formula of standard deviation under actual mean method is sigma equals to square root of summation of x square whole divided by n. X we can calculate it by capital X minus mean and n is the number of observation. This is the example. Now we compute standard deviation under actual mean method. First we write the x, then we calculate small x equals to x minus mean. For this purpose first we calculate mean. So here the summation of x equals to 15. And in individual series, we can compute mean by summation of x by n. So summation of x equals to 15 and n is your 5, number of observation. So here the mean is 3. Now we compute small x by x minus 3, that is x minus mean. So here first will be the 1 minus 3, that will be minus 2, then 2 minus 3, that will be minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2. Now we compute x square. So x square will be, first will be minus 4, that is minus 2 into minus 2, that will be 4, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 4. Now we compute the summation of x square. The summation of x square will be 10. Now we put the formula of standard deviation, that is sigma equals to summation of x square, square root of summation of x square by n. So summation of x square equals to 10 whole divided by n equals to 5. And there will be square root of 2. The square root of 2 is 1.414. This is the standard deviation. Now we calculate standard deviation under direct method. So here the formula is square root of summation of x square by n minus whole square of mean. Here is the example. First we calculate the x square. So x square will be, first is 1, then 4, then 9, then 16 and then 25. And summation of x square is 55. And summation of x is 15. Now we compute arithmetic mean, that is summation of x by n, that is 15 by n is the number of observation, that is 5. So mean is your 3. Now we put the formula, that is your standard deviation equals to square root of summation of x square by n minus whole square of mean. So here summation of x square is 5 all divided by n is your 5, number of observation, minus mean is whole square of mean, that is whole square of 3. So here this is 11 minus 9. The minus 9 will be square root of 2 and the answer will be 1.144. So this is the answer of standard deviation under direct method. Now we compute standard deviation under shortcut method. This is also known as assumed mean method. of shortcut method, that is standard deviation, equals to square root of summation of d square divided by n minus whole square of summation of d by n. So this is the example, and we compute standard deviation under shortcut method. First we compute small d, and as we know we can compute the d by x minus n. So first we take the assuming, that is 1. So here x minus 1, that is 0, then 1, and 2, then 3, and then 4. Now we compute d square. So d square equals to, first is 0, then 1, then 4, then 9, then 16. And summation of d square equals to 30. And summation of d equals to 10. Now we will put the formula of standard deviation, that is summation of d square equals to 30 divided by n is the number of observations, that is 5, minus summation of d equals to 10 divided by n equals to 5 and whole square and its square root. That will be, this is 6 minus whole square of 2, that is 6 whole square root of 6 minus 4, that is square root of 2, and the answer